If you've ever wished your floors could clean themselves while you get on with your day, 2025 is about as close as we've ever been to that reality. Robot vacuums have evolved from simple dust collectors into smart home companions that can map rooms, avoid clutter, empty their own bins, and scrub floors with real pressure. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. The models that bring together powerful suction, smart navigation, and real everyday convenience. We'll go in descending order, starting from number 5. And by the end, you'll know exactly which robot vacuum offers the strongest balance of performance, features, and value for your home. And if you want to check prices or learn more about each model, you can find links to every product in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus 2025 refresh is the definition of smart first. Its design still carries the classic Roomba round body, but now with a more refined brushed plastic shell and a sleeker camera module on the front. It looks simple, but this thing hides some very clever engineering under the hood. Performance-wise, the J7 Plus remains the king of obstacle avoidance. The new 2025 update improves its front-facing AI camera, letting it recognize everyday clutter like socks, phone cables, and even pet toys. The suction power isn't the strongest on the list, but its real advantage is consistency, especially on carpeted areas. The combo version adds a retractable mop pad that lifts up when it detects rugs, preventing that annoying damp carpet effect older robot mopping robots struggled with. Its biggest strengths are reliability, obstacle detection, and iRobot's unbeatable mapping software. If you want a vacuum that never gets stuck and is ideal for families, pet owners, or cluttered homes, this is one of the safest buys in 2025. At number 4, we have the Eufy Clean X9 Pro Omni, Eufy's most ambitious robot vacuum yet. The build is more angular than typical models, giving it a futuristic look that fits well in modern homes. The base station is a bit larger than average, but for good reason. The X9 Pro Omni is all about raw cleaning power. With strong suction and dual rotating mop pads that scrub rather than glide, it's built for homes that need deeper cleaning. One of its standout features is its auto-lifting mop system, which retracts instantly when it rolls onto carpets. The base station also washes and dries the mop pads automatically, which is a huge win for maintenance. Its performance shines in kitchens, dining rooms, and high-traffic homes where spills and dried stains build up. Eufy's app isn't as advanced as Ecovacs or Roborock, but its simplicity works in its favor. This is perfect for users who want real mopping power without spending the absolute top dollar. Sliding into number 3 is the Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni, one of the most talked about vacuums this year. The first thing you notice is its squared-off design, which looks unusual but serves a purpose. It gets deeper into corners than standard round robots, something the brand has proven with real-world tests. Performance is a big leap from the previous X1 series. The X2 comes with massive suction power, upgraded dual spinning mop pads, and a more powerful all-in-one station. What makes it really stand out is its AI-VI 3D 2.0 obstacle detection, which feels like it has actual vision. It doesn't just avoid obstacles, it predicts movement and adjusts smoothly instead of jerking around like many robots do. One of the coolest features is its strong voice assistant, Eco, which lets you command the vacuum without opening the app. The X2 Omni is ideal for large homes with mixed flooring and for people who want a robot that actually reaches corners instead of swirling past them. At number 2, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav 2025 edition delivers what you'd expect from Dyson: precision engineering with a bold, almost sci-fi design. It's taller than most robot vacuums because of its powerful cyclone system, but the build feels premium, compact, and extremely rigid. The Vis Nav is easily one of the most powerful robot vacuums in 2025. Dyson finally upgraded its navigation system with a 360-degree top camera, giving it near-flawless room awareness. The suction is so strong that it almost behaves like a cordless stick vacuum on wheels, especially on medium-pile carpets where most robot vacuums lose steam. The side-actuated dust collector arm also helps it clean edges better than you'd expect. This robot doesn't mop, and that's the only thing keeping it from the top spot. But if you want the best pure vacuuming performance in the robot category, this is the one. Perfect for carpet-heavy homes and users who value deep cleaning above everything else. Taking the #1 spot is the Roborock S9 Max Ultra, easily the most complete robot vacuum package in 2025. Roborock redesigned the shell with a flatter top, a matte finish, and a cleaner LiDAR dome that blends into the body. It's minimal, elegant, and built like a premium appliance. Where the Roborock S9 Max Ultra shines is the balance of everything. Powerful 11,000 plus PA suction, industry-leading multi-floor mapping, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a seriously effective mopping system with pressurized scrubbing. The new Flexi Edge side brush expands outward for corner cleaning and retracts instantly when it returns to normal navigation. The Ultra Dock is one of the most advanced stations this year. It can empty dust, wash and dry mop pads with warm air, refill water automatically, and even run a quick self-clean cycle. It's a true set-and-forget system. This vacuum is perfect for busy households that want the highest-end features with almost no maintenance. Whether you've got pets, kids, carpets, tile, or a mix of everything, the S9 Max Ultra adapts better than any other model on this list. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2025. If you want to check prices or learn more about each model, you can find links to every product in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hands-on reviews and buyer-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.